Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to import Excel in Monday.com. So once when you log into Excel and you are here at the home page, what you need to do is you have to go and click here. And then once when you do that, what you need to do is you have to go down and go here on import data. And then you have to click Excel. So once when you do it, it's going to ask you to drag and drop the file, or you can browse and add it as well, completely up to you. I'm going to go here. And this is the project that I've been working on in Excel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select it and drag it here so we can use it. Wait a second. Here you go. We can upload the file again if we want, or we can just customize this with a new board. So here we have to select our first row, what our first row is going to be. So we'll select with this because first row will be equal to the headings that it's going to use. We're going to click next. And first column, we need to select our first column as well. So this is going to be our first column. Pretty easy. And here you go. Monday.com analyzed our Excel data and they made an Excel type table, you can say, or spreadsheet of their own. So we're going to select it. It automatically assigned our values in order to the categories. So March, these are the dates. So date column. Project budget. No, this is not the date. So we are going to change it. It's not a date column, but it's more like a number column, but we can't see any number here. Timeline, drop down, text. So we're going to make it text column because there's no number column. There's just date column. If we talk about numbers, moving forward, this is going to be the status column. Completely okay with that. And priority is also going to be a status column because we are going to prioritize our work. So that's how we're going to do it. So we can click here on create board. And here you go. Monday.com created another work, I would say another board for us, another board for us. And the data of this board is taken from our Excel sheet. So if we have any Excel sheet and if we want to import it in Monday.com and work there, or for any reason that you can think of, this is how you do it. This is how you actually import data from Excel, from Microsoft Excel into Monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. Let me just tell you one last thing as well, that priorities can be changed as well. High, medium, low, completely up to us. So that's how you do it. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.